Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm sorry it's taken so long for me to put another video on. It was 4 years ago and the camera broke and a few other things. I haven't got around to doing it. And just want to say we're just going out for a ride in the rain. Pulled out Enfield 350. Just a little jaunt in the wet. Hi, I hope you like the sound. It's some Red Rooster exhaust. I've put a K&M filter on it with and the carb's been tuned and the main jet changed up to 112. Filming in New Zealand, in sunny Hawksbay, one of the first places to see the sunrise in the world in the morning. You wouldn't think so with this weather. It's so wet. Alright if you're a duck or a Scotsman. We're just going through Havelock North and a bit busy today. It's raining. Just wanted to tell you a bit about the Enfield. I've had it 6 years. I've had heaps of bikes, but I just enjoy this little bike. It's got 350 Red Rooster exhaust on it, and I bought those mirror extensions as well from Hitchcock's, which are really good, and there's little rubber anti-vibration bolts at the bottom of the mirrors, and they work really well too. Heading out now on Napier Road. The sound of this exhaust. It's quite soft, but can be quite harsh when you open it up. Welcome to New Zealand, and I thought we would do some rides around the back roads so you can see what it's like. lived here over 20 years, had loads of different bikes. I started out with a little Yamaha moped. I loved it, and it's got me hooked on bikes ever since. Braking distances in this weather because the roads are so greasy, and those white lines, they are so slippery. Just you touch a brake and you're off.
It's going to be a quiet day today. Still exhibition full of wind. Camera on today. Waterproof camera.
I've had loads of motorbikes. I've been riding since about 15. And as I said before, I started out on a Yamaha 50cc and got hooked. I had no interest whatsoever in motorcycles until I got riding that 50cc. I loved it, and I'll let you know some of the different bikes I had. I had a 185 Honda CD Bentley, had a 2 CX500s Honda Super Dream, a Kawasaki Z200. Then I got into the British bikes, so we had a LE Velicet, LE Vogue, MAC 350 Velicet, which sounds very similar to the Red Rooster on this exhaust, and I've had Aerial Leader, James Captain. Then I moved to New Zealand and got into biking over here, and you had to have a powerful bike, I thought, and so I had like 650s, 600s, 800s, and I just couldn't settle with them until I went back to this little 350, and I love just riding around, just not doing, just plodding along, just enjoying the countryside and just going at my pace and not someone else's. Just turn off right down here and down to the next roundabout. vineyards as we go in here. We're heading towards Havelock North. If you look on your left, there's lots of vineyards, if you can see them, and on the right, because we're coming up to Black Barn as well, which is quite famous for its wines. On our left is the Black Barns. Now coming into Havelock North again. That's the old farts home on the left hand side. It's where you go into a nice little bungalow and then you end up coming out in a wooden box basically. So we're now heading up coming into Havelock North, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed seeing a bit of New Zealand. Okay, if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up and press the subscribe, and I'll send you another video. Thank you for watching.
Well, did you enjoy that? If you did, give us a like and press the subscription, and I'll send you another video. This is test video 1. Did you like that? If you did, press the subscription and give us a like. Have a nice day. Have a good one. This is bloody sunny.